Hello students, welcome back to our doubt solving session on coordination compounds. You students have just given me 3 doubts. We proceed with it immediately. The first question is ferrocene is a. The question is ferrocene is a. Now the first thing we should do is, in fact, in exam you need not make the structure of ferrocene, but you should remember it. Right now I am मेकिंग द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फेरोसिन. सबसे पहले फेरोसिन बना देते हैं. इस तरह से साइक्लोपेंटाडाइईन है. ये उसका अंदर जो हम सर्कल बना रहे हैं, दिस इज इट्स पाई बॉन्ड which is connected. This is a 3-dimensional connection and not 2-dimensional as you see here. Another cyclopentadiene, and this is ferrocene. Now I am also writing its condensed format, Fe eta, and on eta I have to write the number of pi bonds, cyclopentadiene, so 5. Eta indicates the number of carbon atoms which are bonded to the metal. Eta indicates number of carbon atoms which are bonded to the metal. So they are 5. And this is C5, H5, cyclopentadienyl or diene. So cyclopentadiene. And how many such 5 carbon containing rings are there? 2. This is the condensed structure of ferrocene. So the question is saying it is a complex in which all the 5 carbon atoms of cyclopentadiene are bonded to metal. Very true. This number indicates number of carbon atoms. The number indicates number of carbon atoms bonded to metal. तो बड़ी सीधी सी बात है. If eta की खोपड़ी पे जो लिखते हैं वो है number of carbon atoms bonded to metal, and if I have written 5, which we have seen earlier also, this is cyclopentadiene. You can see that means both the cyclopentadiene are connected by all the 5 carbon atoms. The circle which is inserted inside, which is a dotted circle, indicates the pi bond. We've learned this in benzene structure also, so even B is right. And this is a sandwiched complex, you can see. So answer is all A, B, C are correct. Next question. On treating 1 mole each of the following complex with excess AgNO3. You know, actually what happens is, it is saying the one who reacts with excess AgNO3 to give AgCl. Meaning, complex has a Cl which combines like this to give AgCl, PPT. So first thing is I understand the complex. This complex, let me see, if I treat it with AgNO3, then only the counter ions react. You know that since there are 2 counter ions of Cl, we take 2 AgNO3 and this is what I get. So I'll be getting 2 AgCl here. What we should know here is only the counter ion will react. Counter ion is that which is outside the coordination sphere. मान लेते हैं यहां हम लिख रहे हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर है, तो जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर बना हुआ है वो कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर है और जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर है वो काउंटर आयन है. So the one which is inside the bracket is coordination sphere and one which is outside the bracket is the counter ion. Now AgNO3 here. I take 3 molecules because 3 chlorine bahar hai. So children, I will be getting 3 molecules of AgCl. Here, no counter ion of Cl minus. Here, counter ion is Na plus, but I need Cl. So the one who has Cl as counter ion is option A and B, but it is saying the one which gives maximum AgCl. So this is the answer because it is giving 3 moles of AgCl. So 1 mole of hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride gives 3 moles of AgCl on reaction with excess of AgNO3. So children, answer is B. Next question and the last question, because I said only 3 questions you have given me for the doubts. You people have become very good in the topic. We have done these kind of questions earlier, लेकिन क्योंकि आपका डाउट आया मैंने चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं एक बार और सिखा देते हैं. Which of the following will give precipitate? Oh my god, again the same thing. कौन AgNO3 के साथ precipitate देगा जिसके पास बाहर काउंटर आयन है, इधर बाहर नो काउंटर आयन. करेक्ट, नो काउंटर आयन. इधर भी अगर आप देखें तो इधर भी नो काउंटर आयन. नो काउंटर आयन. काउंटर आयन एक तो इधर है और इधर है. One it is in C and another one it is in D. If I treat it with AgNO3, then I will get AgSO4. Here if I treat it with AgNO3, of course 3 moles, then what I am getting is 3 AgCl. Now the question is which of the following will give PPT? AgCl is a precipitate, sparingly soluble, more in number. Obviously this is the answer. So only these many doubts you have given me, students. All the very, very best for your exams. Bye-bye. Stay blessed. Love and blessings to all of you.